Hi, I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of e with the power of x plus ex dx. Okay, you can rewrite this integral as integral of ex times e with the power of ex dx. Okay, so you can solve this integral using the substitution rule. So if you define e with the power of x as u, and if you take the derivative from each side of this equation, you'll get ex dx will be equal to du. Okay, so all you need to do now is to substitute these two equations, these two expressions into this integral and rewrite this integral. That will be equal to integral of, instead of ex dx, okay, here I have ex dx, I simply write du, okay, because ex dx is du. And instead of e with the power of ex, I write e with the power of, instead of ex, I write u. An integral of eu du is equal to eu plus c, which is the constant of the integral. So here all you need to do is to substitute this parameter u with the definition of u, which is u is equal to ex. Therefore, this one will be equal to e with the power of, instead of u, I write ex plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And that is the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.